I've got to press them all at the same time. My sideways, my jump, and my woo, and my R1 button. Or shoulder button, as I used to call it. Hit that shoulder button. No, not that one.
Well, they are shoulder buttons.
Yeah. You know, as a kid in games, you never bother reading the manual, so you just come up with your own names for everything. I mean, usually it's like, get that spider, when it's not a spider. Or something along that line. I do not have a good example for that little anecdote.
That's too bad, because you could really use one.
Seriously, right? See, right now, strafing would be really good. Have I killed them all? I don't know.
I feel like if you hadn't killed them all, they would have been attacking you by now. What? Screwing stuff into the ground?
Oh, I misplaced. Did. I knew it. I knew it. I like going the wrong way first.
Well, isn't that like video games 101? You go the wrong way first?
Well, some people don't want to bother.
That's true. That always kind of makes me mad though, when people do just... Like, I mean, I guess I should finish my sentence first. People who just skip through everything and just try to do things as fast as possible without bothering to read the story or anything. Like Thomas.
Hi, Thomas.
Sorry, Thomas, if you're watching.
You know who you are. Thomas.
Like, it's one thing, I guess, if people already played the game. But some people just always do that with every game they play. And I'm just like, why bother playing if you're not going to at least attempt to follow the story?
I guess, but I mean, if they're happy that playing it that way, why mess with that? Everybody loves somebody. That was a very after-school special thing to say. Oh, look, we can get up here. Huh. Yeah, I didn't get it.
Surprising.
Yeah. I haven't been doing all that great on this level.
It's challenging.
Yeah, well, he's gonna die challenging me. Please, 6,000 volts. Not enough yet to get the new weapon.
How much do you need?
7,500?
How much more is it?
I have no idea.
I don't know.
Wasn't paying attention. I think now that I'm thinking about it, it's a really, really good one. You basically, it's little clanks, and you send them out, and they'll go and attack the first thing that they see in front of them.
Oh, yeah?
Specifically enemy. They're super cute though. So I'm just standing there. Come on, okay. There I come.
Not the smartest robot masters.
You know, if I recall, the commercial for this game was pretty rad.
Yeah, I don't know if it was for this one or for one of the later ones, but
It's totally, well, the one I'm thinking of is totally this one.
what are you thinking of? The one where they had the commercial was basically these guys testing the guns?
No.
No?
No, the one I'm thinking of was 2D animated.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I don't remember that one at all.
it's pretty fun. That's all you get. It was pretty fun.
How
fun was it? Was it fun?
I don't know. 2?
Maybe 3. See, that looks like a hole up there. I mean, now I'm close to it, it doesn't, but. Whoop. I think it's all.
What about those 3 dots?
Did you hear that?
Strange.
Our fridge makes weird noises.
Yeah, what about those 3 gray dots up in the top?
I don't think that those are. Those were trees that I couldn't.
You couldn't get it?
Well, it's not a big deal. I'm pretty sure that. Yes, okay. That area, the gray area with the question mark,
Mm-hmm.
I can't get there just yet. I have to have. I think it's called the infiltrator. It'll open it. Nice.
These levels seem fairly short.
They do. Yeah, see, I need the infiltrator. Oh, trespasser. It's the same type of thing, and it's called something different in each game. And toss ship.
I'm pretty sure you haven't been there.
Here?
Wait, no, that was where you were on the train, right?
Yeah.
The sky train?
Yeah. Okay, well, this is where I go back to here. And I bring the prize. No, use my swing shot. Anything in here? No. Yes, there we were. That one's done. Confront robot lieutenant. Alright, well, I'm gonna go back here and use my swing shot. It was a love bite.
I felt it.
You felt the love?
Yeah.
Or the bite?
Both. I feel like we've quieted down significantly. It's never good conversation to talk about how you're not having a conversation.
Or is it? Maybe it's fabulous. Oops. That won't do. Here. Whoa. A little loud noise. We should elaborate on, you guys probably didn't hear it, but our fridge made, sounds like a meow, or even a low, or like a quiet, high-pitched squeal. It was like, that was the noise it first made. It also likes to growl.